Right now he's got green flag and the flag green on the track. Forrest is on the veteran Alstomers. They're going to pull it up, get that turbo full, get some pressure into the shoulders, make the horsepower, slip that clutch out of the hole, and can't just light it up. They ain't got enough horsepower to 466. They got to walk them out. You're about ready to see him do it. Looks like he's got the green light. What's got the green light flashing on it? Wait for our track guys. Mr. Luke Gladhill. He got the green flag. He's going to pull up, done their thing. We're starting. We got a handful of them. Mr. Luke can get it done. Looking for that smoke. Buy that video from Mr. JRS, you can play it then. We go back a long way, I can give it some crack. But right now, Mr. David Dory's got the green flag, he's looking for a boost. Well, the buzzer bait is not happy tonight. Some guys just don't want to light. We got a pull-off tractor up to the top of the track. Pull-off tractor. That tire is not in that tractor. Legal in the rules, 2024. You can run that Pro forward tire. It's a specific one for the class. You can only go so far in the compound, etc. There's a lot to it. But on this big tight track, that tire will work awesome as long as he has the power to turn them. That's the key. They take a little more horsepower sometimes to get it going. Right now, the Mark Cable's got a green flag. You know, you get that boost going, get that silver rolling, and you got to slip her out of the hole. You can be able to shoot them and go everywhere. Anything with two wheels turning, and you get that front end light. Whenever it's flying, that little more traction wants to yank you. The worst thing these guys can do is hit the binders and take feet off. But right now, we're turning up. Mr. Brian Morrison, Packin Heat, John Mayer, coming at you. All right, the last wall down the track for our track prep. Green light is on the plate. He's got that chain in sight. He's already revving up, ready to go. He's like, I ain't waiting no more. I want that green flag if it's going to even has it. And it is the green flag. There's giving him the green flag. Brian Morrison on the fifth kicker. Tractor, he's working it out. So this is his test year. He gets to figure it out. He's going to be a force to be reckoned with. He's going to rev her up. He's going to look for that spoke, get that boot going, flip her around in a hole. Hopefully we're going to pray for a smooth hole that he got him figured out here tonight. Then this hit on the problem child. We gotta get them up in there. We got 2 ribs and 1 range. Top 3 right now. Down lately to slide in there. Mr. Howell, he's got a green flag. He's looking for smoke. Hang on, lead the beat. John Murphy, stand up, let him hear you. We gotta get up there. Green flag, Mr. Mike Morrison, Diggin Deep International.